Hi, my name is Sarah Longman, and I'm going to be explaining my code for question number 2 on quiz number 6. So, to start off, this question is asking me to use my function from question number 1 to roll a dice 4 times and to use a for loop for 100 times, as well as count the number of times the sum of 4 dice is greater than 20 and the number of times the sum of the dice rolls is less than or equal to 15. Okay. So first I start off with naming greater than 20 and set it to 0. And then I did the same thing to less than or equal to 15. I then created a for loop because it's set to repeat 100 times. I then used a sum accumulator so that it's set to roll 4 times if the sum accumulator is greater than 20. And then I used an else function to set it to less than or equal to 15. And then finally I used a print statement resulting in me getting this sum is greater than 20 by 3 times, and the sum is less than or equal to 15 67 times. And then in my comment you can see you make the for roll only once for each of the 100 for rolls because it's controlled, because you only want to roll it one time. Thank you.